And as Constance Jones shows us, this band says it is necessary to break down these musical barriers when trying to reach the younger generation.
Music with a message, dramatically performed with boundless enthusiasm.
The style we play is really off the chart.
You're listening to Revelation Mizik, Haitian gospel at its best. An exciting combination of drums, keyboards, and guitars stitched together to create songs of love and hope.
Revelation, we try to change everything, try to make a new generation come past.
This local Christian band travels the world ministering through music. Their last concert stops include Paris, Montreal, and North Carolina. Well, they started in churches like this one, performing in sanctuaries across South Florida. But then they grew to this. Even those who don't speak Creole find a connection to the lyrics.
They don't even understand what we're saying, but they're dancing. It seems like the way we're playing, like they feel it inside.
It was well over 10 years ago when the group was first founded. The goal was to produce fresh Haitian music that would cater to Creole-speaking teens, a demographic often ignored.
We have a lot of young Haitian in the street not doing anything. And then we said, you know what, we have to make a gospel band, and then just for the youth, and just to ask them exactly what you want to do in life.
Little do they know how fast their fan base would grow. Video clips from their concerts have been viewed over 80,000 times on YouTube. It's no surprise that the group gets weekly requests to perform across the country.
We're growing day by day as far as learning different ways of delivering that style as well as the message.
When the band's not performing, they're serving by collecting donations for Haiti, a mission they hold close to their heart. Revelation Mizik says they'll continue composing, reaching those who need to hear a message of faith.
Go out and just spread the good news, you know, just to let people know that, hey, there's a God that's here that loves you.
Constance Jones, Local 10 News.
The band has several performances planned for the South Florida area.
And you and I listen to the music all the time, don't we?
We do, because one of our photographers plays in the band. And but you know, they're
when you roll with him,
that's how you roll.
That's how you roll. They're playing the music.